Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. Have you guys ever wondered what other countries eat for breakfast? So you guys know Koreans are known for having a lot of side dishes on the table. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make one side dish and one common soup that Koreans eat. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. So we're going to cut up our green onions now. We needed 3 green onions total for this video. We'll save this for the soup. So I have these carrots and I'm just gonna try to mash the size to these. So after you cut up the green onions, we will mince the scallions. So put it into the mixing bowl. We'll add the carrots in. Crack 4 eggs into this. We'll add a 4th teaspoon of salt to this. Give this a mix. So now we will make our egg omelet. So I have it on medium-low heat and we'll add in our oil. Of course, I'm gonna go in with my towel and even the oil out. What did I say? Towel. Paper towel. This Korean egg omelet is in parts, so I'll add a little bit. So we'll start rolling this up. It's okay if you get rips or anything in the middle because you just keep adding to this. Doesn't really matter what it looks like on the inside. And then we're gonna slide it over and connect it with more egg. That looks really good actually. When I was younger, my mom would never put vegetables in our keranmal이, it would just be egg. And I would always be so jealous when I'm watching Korean dramas and they have carrots and color in their egg roll. So now when I make it, I always make sure there's some color in there. And also, this is a really good dish for parents who have children because children because it's nutritious and you can also hide a lot of vegetables in it by like cutting it up really small. So if they don't like carrots, you can just hide it into their egg. I would say keranmal이 was really hard to make because the form is hard, right? And sometimes you overcook it too much and it gets like that brown color. Yeah. Heat is low heat. Yeah, low heat. Always have it on low heat. You have to be patient. Now we're going to start our bean sprout soup. So we'll add 2 liters of water to our pot. And we're gonna add our broth pack. Turn that up to a medium high. And I'll show you guys how I am preparing the bean sprouts. So I already washed this in water once and I'm gonna take the tails off because it makes the soup look a little messy. And I feel like it's a little dirty at the end. It just looks nicer. Is that why they do it? I think so. It just looks clean. Yeah. We're done. And we will mince up 3 cloves of garlic. There are a lot of different types of soups that Koreans will eat in the morning. I think that the most common breakfast soup that we used to get when we were younger was this? Yeah. Kongnamul or 된장국. Or 된장국. Well, we lived with our grandma, so she usually made all our breakfast and dinner because my parents are working. If grandma wasn't there, mom always made 콩나물국 because it was simple. Yeah. She didn't really know. She would make like a big batch of it in the morning. We would have that for breakfast. And when we came back home from school, we would also have it as like an afternoon snack.
Yeah.
And red pepper is optional. Green chili pepper is fine, but red is really pretty, so we're gonna be using red chilies today. So we'll take this out now. Let's go ahead and add in our garlic and soy sauce. And salt is to taste, so I'm just gonna sprinkle that much and see if that will be enough. And next we'll add in our bean sprouts. So for the most part, Korean food is healthy. I wouldn't say it's always healthy because it can get really spicy or really salty sometimes. Koreans have a lot of meat incorporated into the meals, but a lot of vegetables too, and probably some foreign vegetables. They have a lot of roots and leaves on garlic. You know, like those leaves that come out, the manuljong. That's one of my favorite banchan's. Who would have ever thought to use that as food, you know?
Koreans really know how to find plants and
use it as food, right? Yeah.
It's weird, and they taste good.
So that's been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and we're gonna cook it for a total of 10 minutes because I don't want the bean sprouts to overcook. I'm gonna add in some of the green onions. I'm gonna save some as a topping for later. And same with the red pepper. Right? What is going on outside? Very, very clean tasting. I love it. It's like earthy in a way and clean, and I can't use my chopsticks today.